Weta Cave. Welcome to Wellington's Weta Cave, the free-to-enter mini-museum and absolutely dangerous souvenir shop where Lord of the Rings, Avatar and every epic creature you love comes to life. No tour needed, just walk in and lose your wallet. First things first, what exactly is the Weta Cave? It is not your average museum. Think of it as the public portal to Wētā Workshop, the Oscar-winning special effects powerhouse behind blockbusters like The Lord of the Rings, Avatar, King Kong, and the Chronicles of Narnia. Tucked away in Wellington's quirky Miramar suburb, the cave is a mini-museum, gift shop, and tour hub all in one. You step inside and boom, you are surrounded. Life-size lurts the Uruk-hai glaring down at you. Gollum crouched in a corner looking guilty. A full-scale cave troll that makes everyone pose for photos. Glass cases are packed with original chainmail. The actual scale doubles weapons. Eowyn's sword, Arwen's crown. Even the tiny detailed hobbit feet.
Three big screens loop behind-the-scenes footage of sculptures, mold makers and painters at work. It's only about 300 square meters, but every inch is pure movie magic. Most people spend 20 to 40 minutes here and still miss half the details. Then you make the fatal mistake of walking into the shop. Shelves explode with officially licensed goodies, $15 pins to $2,000 collector swords. Top sellers right now, the One Ring on chain, Baby Groot figures, miniature Fall Beast statues, and the super popular ray gun from District 9. They have exclusive cave-only items you literally can't buy anywhere else, like the hand-painted Mirkwood spiders and the new House of the Dragon pieces. Budget 200 and you'll walk out with a bag. Budget 2000 and you'll need another suitcase.
If you want even more, book the 80-minute guided workshop tour next door to step inside the real studios and watch the artists working. But honestly, if you are short on time or cash, the free mini museum and the souvenir shop alone are 100% worth the trip. The miniature display is one of the most jaw-dropping corners of the free mini museum. These are not cheap souvenirs. They are the actual hero miniatures used for the long shots and establishing shots in the films. So grab bus number 2 to Miramar, allow an hour and come live your Middle-earth dreams. Like this if you are adding this to your Wellington list. Comment your must-buy souvenir and I will see you under the drop. Kia ora!